If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen OpenAI's new image generator going viral, especially for turning photos into that beautiful Ghibli style. But here's the thing, it's closed source and you need to pay for a subscription to use it unlimited times. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a free open source option? Well, actually there is, and it's called EasyControl. This AI is pretty incredible because it can generate images based on many different conditions at once. If you're familiar with image generation, it's basically like having a ton of control nets all wrapped up in one convenient framework. Let me show you what I mean. Say you have a color reference map and a canny edge map, you can combine both of them together, and if you prompt it with something like forest, you'll get an image that matches both the edge map and the color scheme perfectly. Or here's another cool example. If you have a reference image of an octopus and a wool car, you can in-paint a section and add the octopus right on top of the car. What's really impressive is how EasyControl handles multiple conditions. You can input a face, add a pose skeleton, and prompt it with something like woman with a blue jacket in a snowy background, and boom, you get exactly what you asked for. And here's where it gets really interesting. When you use a depth map with a Lora, that's basically a fine-tuned model for vector art style, other methods like mini control or regular control net completely mess up the face. But EasyControl keeps everything looking perfect. Let me show you another example of how powerful this is. If you prompt it with a man wearing red headwear in the library and use a depth map with vector art style, other methods totally fail to keep the style consistent. But with EasyControl, it preserves that vector art look while perfectly following the depth map. Same thing happens with Spider-Man text posters. EasyControl is the only one that gets both the style and structure right. The tool is amazing at handling poses too. When you give it an input photo and a pose skeleton, it's the only method that can accurately generate a photo of someone in that exact pose. It's great for face swapping and controlling character poses too. You can even get creative with it, like combining a human pose skeleton with an edge map of a donkey. Prompt it with a man wearing colorful clothes on the beach with a donkey, and get results that other methods just can't match. Now here's the really exciting part. They've just released a free hugging face space where you can use EasyControl with a Studio Ghibli Lora to turn any image into that gorgeous Ghibli style. All you need to do is input your image and use the prompt Ghibli Studio style charming hand-drawn anime style illustration. Those are the trigger words that make the magic happen. Sure, it has some limitations, like the text isn't always perfect, but hey, it's completely free and open source. If you've got a powerful enough GPU, you can even clone this Hugging Face space and run it locally on your computer. The results are pretty incredible. I've tried it with different photos, keeping the same prompt, and the Ghibli transformations are consistently impressive. It really captures that hand-drawn anime style while maintaining the structure and composition of your original image. I'll link to the main page in the description where you'll find all the models, the GitHub repo with detailed installation instructions, and a link to the free Hugging Face space. This is seriously a game changer if you're into image generation or just want to play around with turning your photos into Ghibli style art. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on more AI tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.